Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you're longtime subscribers, you may recognize that drive-in. If you're new around here, this is Mark's house. I just arrived. Basically, Mark has a bunch of land and we're gonna build a track. So we're not riding today, a little bit of a different style video. Some of you may already know I planned on racing Supercross Futures at Gillette in April. I don't know if that's still gonna happen with the whole coronavirus thing, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, our plan was to build a little Supercross track here at Mark's to prepare for the Supercross Futures. He has a backhoe, bucket loader and a bulldozer. Him and Ian are here working now, but he's gonna show me how to use it a little bit so I can help him. And he already built, I think, some features, so we're gonna go check it out, see what he's got. What up?
Dude, it's about a 4.
You think? It was sunny over there, and as soon as I got into Palmer,
yeah, here it comes.
maybe it'll just blow over.
What do you think about it?
I don't know, walk us through it. What is this, gonna be a bull turn?
Yeah.
To where?
It's gonna come straight down back this way, turn around those rocks, go straight into that bull turn, that big old finish line double.
Finish line double.
This way, get this thing again. So we're gonna get Joe ready for some Pro-Am's Oil Arena Cross.
We'll see about that.
How do you move this thing?
Tell us, Mark. Tell us what it's going to be.
Alright, so we're going to start over there. It's going to be a right-hand corner into this section.
Our right-hand corner from where? Oh, right here?
From around the that middle cone, the little smaller cone.
Okay.
And then the outs, so it's going to have a little berm. The outside's going to be a little bit pitched higher. And the inside just going to be a roller where you would roll into the section.
Right.
And then so the outside would be pitched higher a little bit, and you'll jump onto a table, off the table, and then double into where we're standing right here.
Into this corner.
Yep. Or you go inside, roll, hit the table and triple, and then double out. Or if you're ballsy, you go outside and triple in, and then triple again.
Okay, so then you go right around this corner.
Yep.
And then a whoop section or what?
No, I'm thinking of a double triple or a triple double.
Okay, and then you
gonna go around the rock.
Whoops here. And then a right-hander into the double.
Yep. Obviously, we're gonna add more dirt to the
smooth the double out.
Yeah. We're gonna probably add that double of that.
All right, what's next? Don't let me hold you guys up. Show me how to use the loader a little.
No, that's what you said. You said to go dig it.
All right, Joe, you want to hop in there? Or you want me to show you?
Oh. Okay, go ahead, Mark. What's there to know?
Starting it up. Turn this key. You can put your foot on the gas a little bit. Gas right here. So that's the gas. Or the throttle, whatever you want to call it. Then you got your gears right here.
Yep. Clutch?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's not a clutch. Those are brakes that don't work.
Brakes that don't work, okay.
Yep. So this would be first. This would be.
So what's your brake?
You don't have a brake. You do not have a brake.
So how would I stop?
You have to drop the bucket.
How do you move the bucket? This?
Yep. So back goes up. So pull it back.
Here, Ian, you hold it. Okay.
Pull it back. Pull this back. Yep. That's gonna go up. And push it forward to go down. Easy.
Okay.
Slow. And then you're gonna pull it into you. Nothing. Pull it into you to make it come up and push it away from you.
telling me don't
put it in gear. To put it in gear, you gotta do it. Pull it over to the left a little bit and then pull it down. Yeah, no, it's fine. Now before you go, hold on. You gotta watch the back. That back's down.
So how do you move
So in order to pick, every time you lift that bucket up,
so should I put it in neutral?
Yeah, you can put it in neutral, I guess. Every time you're lifting anything up, especially playing with that thing, you gotta give it a little bit of gas. This is your throttle too, so like when you're playing with just back here, you can make it push it up this way. Pull that up. But, so go ahead, pull that stick back towards you. Easy with that. Be like super easy with it. Now take the other stick and push it towards me. Push to the left.
This one?
Yep, to the left. And now we'll curve that up. Yes. Keep going. Alright.
Keep pulling this or no?
No, that's good.
That's good.
But you're just gonna watch it because that falls a little bit when you're riding. So sometimes you can stick it up there, but
So should we put the throttle
we'll
back?
No, leave that. That's only if you're playing with the back.
Okay.
So now to go, put that in first. Pull to the left and then pull it down. So now you're in first gear. So you're gonna lift the bucket up a little bit.
But this thing.
And then you gotta, this is your forward and reverse. So that's forward, we'll start moving. And then that's reverse.
And the middle's neutral?
Yes. But it has no brakes, so just because you put it in neutral doesn't mean.
So put the bucket
So
down.
anytime you're going, yeah. And you never want to put the back of the bucket down. So like if you're putting it down, you want to tilt it. So go ahead. Yep. Come on. Scoop that little pile of dirt. So you're turning them way too sharp. Go. Just go straight. Angle the bucket a little bit down. Yep. And just keep going straight.
Put it more down?
No, just keep going. Keep going, and then just play with it as you're going too. If you're going too far down, pull it a little back. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go ahead, go right in. Now, see the back's too low. You don't want to scrape the back.
Like that?
Yeah, keep going in. The tires aren't going to do it. They're not going to turn once you're bigger. Just keep going. And now tilt it up and pick it up. Keep going though, keep going forward. You got to tilt it a little bit higher though. You got to do it all at the same time. And then you got to back up.
Alright guys, I just wanted to narrate quickly what was going on. So a majority of my time I was spending looking through those small side windows just so I could see where the bucket was at. I'm sure experienced machinery operators can go off feel, but obviously this is my first time, so I was spending a lot of time looking where the bucket was. It was kind of hard to tell if it was touching the ground or not, and it was much more difficult to operate than I thought it was going to be. Also, it doesn't help that our ground kind of sucks, so it's very rocky, as you guys can see, and lots of times I'm hitting rocks and stuff that I can't get out, so I have to like go back and re-angle the bucket and whatnot. But other than that, with more time, I think I'll get quicker with it. Shout out to Mark for letting me help and drive the loader. It's super cool, and there'll be more videos on this to come. Also, while I have you guys here, like I said in the last video, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now, because about 95% of my viewers are unsubscribed, which is about 15,000. Other than that, back to the video.
So lift it up a bit. Lift it up and yep. Now dump it. Up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Dump it a little bit. There you go.
Joe, take your time. You don't want to be like bouncing around. That's
Okay.
when you're going too fast.
Is that it? Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big rock.
I got it in the bucket?
No, you'll see it. But now you can just scoop it up.
Now you'll be able to scoop it. Let's do it right. You see it? Get out of there. Oh, you didn't really get that good.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, well, he'll drop the rock and then we can just kick it off.
Yeah, okay.
Just roll it out. It'll be fine.
You know what I like about although
All right. Put in the comments right now how big you think this is. I'm saying like 50 feet.
good. This only goes to 16, so we're gonna have to stop it. Alright, hold on, come back. So from the top that's 16, so mark that real quick. Or just stay right there. Just stand. Stay there. Just look how small. I'll stand right here. That's 32.
32.
That's nothing. That's tiny.
It looks humongous.
Go like right where it's like that thing is. 5 feet. Oh, 5 minus 6, so 11 feet. So that's 43 feet.
43 feet.
That's freaking big.
All right, guys, this is a better vantage point. So basically, this is gonna be the finish line jump. You're gonna go right and then swing right where the loader is. There's gonna be a little rhythm section. You'll come down, hit this turn, go up here, another rhythm section, and then left around the rocks, and down here will be a whoop section, and then another bowl turn, and then the finish line.
Literally that jump is big. It's like, I don't know about 8, maybe 9.
See you later. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today, working on the track. There'll be some more videos of us working on the track, hopefully here soon. But other than that, let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Smash that like button and remember to subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.